Hi, my name is Jessis, and I'm going to be telling the story of the Three Little Pigs. So, once upon a time, there were three little pigs, and they all decided to move into their own houses and build them with things they found around them. The first pig decided to make his house of hay, and so there was a mean little wolf that would live in the forest nearby, and he came to the pig's house one day and said, little pig, let me in." But the pig didn't want him to come in, so he said, "Not by the hair on my chinny chin chin." And then the wolf became frustrated, so he said, "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." And the little pig's house fell to pieces, and he was left there all by himself until he ran to his second brother's house that was made of sticks that he found. Well, both pigs were inside, and the wolf followed them, and he said, little pigs, let me in." And neither of them wanted to, so they said, "Not by the hair on our chinny chin chin." And the wolf became frustrated again and said, "Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down." And just like that, the sticks fell just like the hay, and both pigs were left stranded, so they went to their oldest brother's house that was made of bricks, and they all hid in that one little house. And when the wolf came knocking, he said, little pigs, let me in." And the pigs said, "Not by the hair of our chinny chin chin." And the wolf once again became frustrated, and he huffed and he puffed and he tried to blow their house down, but the brick house stood still and nothing happened. So the wolf became frustrated and tried again, and nothing happened the second time. By that time the wolf was so tired that he just gave up and left the three little pigs alone. And so the three little pigs lived happily ever after in the brick house of the oldest brother. And this just goes to show that even though the bricks may have taken longer, that was the safest option. So hard work does pay off in the end. Thank you.